In terms of its environmental impact and its economic impact, the decision by the Welsh Government around the M4 is one of the most significant that has been announced in recent years. And the committee's work has been concentrating on the processes followed in reaching that decision and the lack of clarity around that process. So the report that we have agreed on as a committee deals with concerns about the processes followed, environmental concerns, whether they've been taken sufficient note of, the cost of the scheme itself, the potential of other public transport schemes that are mooted, whether they've been taken into consideration, and the lack of clarity around the consultation process itself. Now then, everybody in the committee agrees that something has to be done to relieve traffic congestion around Newport, but the process which the government followed to reach this decision certainly raises serious concerns, and the fact that the minister involved refused to come to the committee to address some of those concerns and explain her actions. So those are the essential ingredients of the report that we have produced.